dear SAP colleagues and SAP friends. In today's video I would like to show you how you can download code or technical objects, so to say, in SAP. And actually the language, as you know, is called ABAP, the language of SAP. ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming, for those who don't know, but I guess the ones who are watching this video are pretty aware of these things. So basically, there is a very interesting, so to say, program which we'll now download in order to be able to download technical objects and programs and ABAP code. And now I'll show you this, how you can do it. But first of all, I would like to explain to you very briefly why may you want to do this. For instance, if there are, let's say, 10 developers working on a very big package, they are all working in different programs, or there may be more developers, or there may be just 3 developers. However, from time to time, especially if you are hiring in your company, from time to time there are incidents occurring, and some people are they're copying objects, they're without a purpose, so to say, they're deleting objects. Well, such things happen, you know, and this is the first reason which I would like to mention to you. It is for backup, in order to be able to if a program is deleted or something like this, you should be able to find this program once again. And yeah, this is the main reason actually which I would like to consider. But another one is, for instance, if you want just to have your programs, you know, like if you want to have your programs somewhere saved, and maybe you would want to use them later. Just not to show them to somebody or something, but just to be able to look up in these programs if you don't have access to the system anymore. Well, yeah, this could be a reason as well. Okay, so let's start. The first thing which we would like to do is to open SE80, and I'm not using packages really now. I mean, I'm using local objects in order to be able to show you programs, because I'm working on a system in company. I have the full allowance to do this already, and this is the reason why I'm doing it. But however, I'm not showing any real data, any real programs, so to say, which are in production. And this is the reason why we go to local objects, or in German lokale Objekte. And here we have already some, actually in this YouTube channel I've already written some programs for the videos. However, some of the other programs which you see here, they are not from the YouTube channel. However, let's start. Okay, the first thing is, well, we would want to create a program. I mean, just create a program and then we'll copy the program, and you'll see how we do this. Okay, we go to right mouse click, then create, and then here we write the name of the program, and this would be now Z, then let's say mass, or well, it would be Z code download, or Z code or object download. The status would be a test program now, and we save it as a local object, or TMP. And we already created the program. Okay, so now we open a new browser, and here we write ABAP mass download program, or SAP mass ABAP download program is the exact thing that we need. And this is actually the website, so to say, the link that we need to open. Palermo Consulting SAP mass ABAP download program. And this is the thing. However, well, this is changed to MIT license. Yeah, this is basically, I'm not sure whether this is a person or whether this is a company. However, we need this one. This is the program that we need, and it's in GitHub uploaded, so basically we can access it freely. I'm even not signed up now in GitHub. I do upload some of the my programs as well in my GitHub, and you can find this below the videos, the link to my GitHub. There are not that much programs till now, but in the future I guess there would be. And this is the program that we need. And as you can see, actually it is not a small thing here. I mean, there are basically, I don't know, I haven't really looked up, but there are thousands of rows, right? It's a lot. And we're not going to analyze the program or something. We're just going to use this button here. Copy row file. And then we go to our program. We delete the first row. We delete the first row of the program. Well, there is 10,000 rows program. Yeah. And we delete this one, because this is not the real name now of the program. And we just activate it. We activate it. And then actually we're ready. The object was activated and we can now run the program. These are the selection options, and basically there are a few things here which you can, so to say, set. But we're not going to discuss yet now all these functions here and how you can use them. As you can see, you can choose an OTA. Basically, I'm not going to choose OTA. You can choose, you can write table, you can write message class, function modules, transformations, classes, or programs, or package. Well, actually, you can download the whole package. And we'll look now actually at the option where we download program. Okay, so now we go back to, actually I think I closed this window, so or this GUI window. So basically we'll now open one more window, and here we'll write once again SCE80. I actually tested this program because I found it a few days ago, and I tested it and it's working, but however I have not tested it with local object. And now we just go on a program. Let's say one program which we created in this YouTube channel was the ALV grid, and basically I would like to go on this program, and then yeah, I'll open this program, copy the name, go to our new program, write here the name, or copy here the name of the program that we want to download. Programs is chosen, and we go on execute. Okay, this is it actually. Now here in the middle, not sure whether you can see it, but I'll do like this in order to be able to see it. You must enter a file path, and this is pretty normal, because we should say where this should be saved. And basically now we're going to choose a path, and I'll just choose for now the desktop path. Right? C users, my user, and desktop. And now we go on execute once again. We are going to agree that there would be a file written, and it's ready. It is there. So now we go to my computer, desktop. We sort the things by their change date, and there it is. Z-test ALV grid save. We open this one. It is HTML file. We open this one as well, and there is the program. Pretty easy and pretty nice, I find. So one more thing, we'll actually try two more things now. Let's see how would this program work if we decide to download a whole table, right? This would be very interesting for me. And for this reason, I'm not sure whether we have here well, we have SPFly, we use it already in a test program. We go and write SPFly, we go and say agree, and the table was already downloaded. We go to my computer, one time back, dictionary it is called now, and SPFly is there. Well, I find this amazing. It is just amazing how you can download tables. Pretty easy. Okay, let's see one more thing now, how we can download whole package. And now for this reason, I will use a package from the CMS modules, because I'm working now on a very big package where there are a lot of programs. And we go again to our program, back, we choose programs, we delete this program here, and we just now write ZCML or CML, sorry. And we go and execute. 0 programs downloaded, okay? Only customer objects, yeah, this is okay. I'm not sure, this is definitely a package in our system. However, I'm not sure why it is not working now. Only customer objects, I'm not sure. Let's see once again. No, it's not accepted. Classes, transformations, function model, message, types. Okay, include programs modified by author, yeah, out customer name range, language. Can it be the case that it's different language? No, it's not different language. Okay, this is pretty interesting now. Let's see what will happen if I write ZCML and then star. Because I think there are a lot of packages here. And I'll just choose now, yeah, I'll try once again this package. Nope. But this is pretty strange now. Let's see what functions do we have here. Screens, dictionary structure, sort table, download to server, download display, download report. Yeah, the report is okay. Everything seems fine. Okay. Let's try now with another package, which is, so to say, sub-package to this big package. This would be the Stammdaten, base data. This looks better. It is taking some time. It is doing something. Well, it can be the case that this is a big package. Actually, it is a big package, not that big as ZCML, but it's part of ZCML, and it's already taking some time, which I guess it's not really, it isn't really normal, because I think this should work much faster. This is taking too much time now. Okay, we'll close this this transaction. I wanna, so to say, stop the transaction, and this is how you do it. I've just showed it. However, we're now going to do this once again. But sorry, this is not the right transaction now to do it. We'll go once again, well actually we can do it from there, but we'll go once again to SE80, to the ABAP workbench, and from here we will find our program, Z code or object download, and now we're going to execute the program once again, and we're going once again to packages. Let's try with another one. And let's say we need the lessee. This is another system which we are having API with, and we just download. Yep, looks better. This is a zip package as well to the big package. Now this is asking us for each and every program in this package. Well, basically these programs are written for me. As I said, these are packages. These are programs and objects which are having to do with API internally in the company. However, now we'll see what we've saved. And we've saved actually now 2 programs. They're separated here, as we can see. And this is the first one, the int update. And there is dictionary part with objects. I think this is a structure for messages, and this is part of the API of the SAP architecture, which we which we're using. And now we have here the program. Yeah, this is a program, and here you can see it's written by me. Okay, this was it, guys. I really find this way of downloading programs amazing. I think it is very useful. I think you can do a whole backup of your packages and stuff, and you can look up later. You can, if there is a problem, you can safely go back to your backup and find the program. You should never have this how should I say, this hurry to write a program again. But I'm not sure if some of you have experienced this, but if you are in a hurry and then you have to write a program again because it has been deleted, this is not really nice, and it is very stressing. And I think this program and this way of thinking can be very helpful, but not only. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the case, please hit the subscribe button to the channel. Please hit the like button of the video, and stay tuned, friends. Till next time.